Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two Boxycharm boxes to open for you guys. And I have actually opened them. I'm wearing all of the stuff on my face. At the end of this video, there will be a try-on of me doing all this stuff. So, the first box, I got the Ace Beauty Palette. This is what the inside looks like. We got jasmine, clove, myrtle, and cinnamon. And I'll swatch those for you. And then we have patchouli, rose, poppy, and primrose. Seriously, please excuse my nails. I can't even stand it myself. I was going to take it off and then I got my boxes and got excited. So I said I'm just going to go and do my video and didn't even think to take my nail polish off. So I am sorry. Okay. The next thing I got was the Lashaholic lashes. I'm wearing them on my eyes. But look how gorgeous the inside of this box is. It's so shiny. I love it. And then the next thing I got was the Jonte Blue glitter eyeliner. And that is what it looks like. And then I got the 3 Luxie brush. Oh wait, come with 4. There it is. 4 Luxie brushes. And I love the glitter. This box is just so pretty. And then the Cover FX drops in the color Luna. And I will also swatch that for you guys. That is so gorgeous. That is all I got in the first box. And that box had the Cover FX drops, which was $44. The Ace Beauty Palette, which was $24.99. The Luxie 4 brush set, $21. The Jonte Blue Glitter Star Eyeliner, which was $5. And the Lashaholic Lashes, which was $14.99. Okay, on to the next box. Okay, I got more of the Cover FX drops. Another thing of brushes. Another palette. And then I got the Farrah tweezers. Like, what are the odds that I would actually get both varieties of this box? I didn't figure that would happen. I figured I would get 2 of the same box. And then I got the makeup brush cleaner, which I also tried out at the end of this video, and it actually does pretty good, but it is fierce, so prepare yourself. It will spray everywhere. I also have a Ipsy Glam bag coming sometime or another. Note to self, don't add things to your box, because it just now shipped today. But anyways, I hopefully will get it within next week, and then I'll be able to put up a video for you guys. So I guess I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys. Now we are moving on to the try-on portion of this video. I don't know how well it's going to go. I've never done my makeup on video before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to try. I am going to go in first with the Patchouli, the color right there, as my transition shade. And I'm going to use the Alamar Cosmetics brush, big fluffy brush, to do it. And also, I'm going to add, I did prime my eyelids before I done this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And next I am going to go in with cinnamon. And I am going to use this brush. In the crease. It's going in the crease. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Poppy. That color right there. And I'm going to use this little angled brush. And I'm going to put this all over the lid. This is more, it looks a lot more pink on the lid other than in the pan. In the pan it looks very burgundy kind of, and it has more of a purpley pink tone. Okay, and now I'm just going to go in with a clean blender brush to kind of blend it all together. Okay, I'm going to try to put a little bit of sparkle on top, because this is actually a little too pink for me. I really don't do pink anything whenever it comes to makeup, other than maybe some blush. But I'm just going to go back with this small fluffy brush and go into Jasmine right there. Just to try to tone down this pink just a little bit and give it a little shimmer. Okay, so Putting a little bit of jasmine over it did seem to cool the paint down a lot. Maybe a little too much right there. And then I'm going to go back in with the cinnamon in my crease. Just to try to deepen it up a little bit. And don't worry, I am going to blend that out. It looks crazy right now. And before I blend that out, I'm just gonna use my finger and put a little bit of jasmine in the inner corner. And then with the clean blender brush, I'm just going to blend it out. And it does blend out really nice too. Okay, next I'm going to do cinnamon under the lash line. With this little brush right here. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera. Okay, I went on and done my eyelashes, and I went on and done my lips, and I just used the Violet Voss that I got in my Summer's Eve box. And the color of that was Relevant, by the way. I didn't mention that in my last video. I'm not really a falsies wearer, but I actually do really like these. They're very pretty, I think. The next thing I'm going to do is the Cover FX drops. I'm going to get them open. The color Nova. And I already have highlight on, but I'm just going to add just a little bit. And I heard it just takes a little bit. So we're not going to go all crazy. I'm not even going to drip it. It's very glittery, shimmery. And the last thing we are going to test is the makeup remover spray. Paper towel, that's what it says. It says to hold it away from it and spray it. So I'm going to use it on this one. It is dirty. Again, excuse my nails because I keep forgetting to paint them, or at least just take the darn nail polish off. I don't know why. I'm just keep forgetting. Okay, it does have a forceful spray, but I'll do it on. To be honest, I sprayed it mostly on the handle, trying to get it on the brush itself. But I done pretty good. Pretty good. That's all on paper towel. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, please do subscribe. If y'all enjoyed the try-on with me, then please let me know. That way I know to do it again. I don't think I'm that great at it, but I tried. But thanks for watching my video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!